Hello viewers, welcome in another episode, and today we will have episode. It's related to 1/64th scale. Everything will be related to 1/64th scale, but there will be not so many cars and plenty of ways to display them, like this shelf. It's for 60 cars. It was very cheap. I got two of those, even they look same and have same capacity. Those are slightly different. As you can see here, it's made this way. I have another one, and there is small difference, and this one was packed with bubble wrap. The previous one not. What else? I got plenty of those display cases. I like them. You can see those on my videos often. Those are clear acrylic cases. You can stack those. They will hold 8 cars. You can open it, you can close it, and I have multiple boxes, like single ones like those, single ones packed as fours, and then something like this. There is 4 of those. There is few boxes of those because my collection is growing and I need more ways to display it. Then this is another display stand. I will tell you, plenty of those items I bought are just, to check what they are offering, including this one. I had no previous experience with it, but it was so cheap I decided why not. So what else? Very simple diorama. There are some elements. There is parking. So we will see how it will look when it will be finished. Also, another display shelf. This one is cheap, but again, this is some experiment for me because it's strange material. As long as it will do what it should do, I don't mind. It was just few euros, so no worries. Because I'm working on some dioramas, I got a pack with grass, various colors of grass. This was just filler because I need to spend a few more euros to get extra item, so I ordered this one. Another diorama. But this isn't last one. I got a Rocket Bunny garage. I have few of those, so another one. And another diorama. I was worried it would be damaged because you can see it was crushed, but everything looks to be okay. Then we can start with car segments. All models will be made by Mazda. We will start with this beautiful McLaren 765 LT Spider. I already got McLaren Senna. Now I got this one. There is another one which I need to order, because I see those are beautiful little cars, but this isn't all. I have more, but unusual. Where is... there should be one more model. Just, I will be back. There it is, Toyota Land Cruiser LC80 1994 in beautiful dirty color. I have Toyota Hilux, if I remember correctly, or Mitsubishi pickup truck, whatever, in similar color and as dirty as this one, even probably more dirty than this one. And I have plenty ideas for dioramas. I just lack time to do more and quicker. And to be honest, maybe I lack some will to hard work, because often I will be just doing almost nothing, just relaxing, reading book, which is my perfect and favorite way to spend free time. Then another Mazda, Scania, beautiful Scania R650 in blue Scania livery with that rifle. I will say Mazda is stepping forward, making huge progress, and this is officially licensed with models. You know that the packaging, it's very premium-ish, and for that price it's really good deal. And especially as this one, it's licensed, or it seems to be licensed. I have a military version of this one with trailer. I got civilian. I don't know if I will buy civilian trailer, but we will see. I hope they will make more of those and different trailers as well. And as last model, this amazing Leopard 2 A6. Again, very beautiful box. I wonder if it's licensed by some German companies or not. There is barrel, there are guns. Oh, here MG3, I think. We have electro-optic observation system, and most of 120mm smoothbore gun, and there is Leopard itself. It's beautiful, and by the way, it's rolling, and turret is rotating and the gun is moving. It's very simple to put it together, because as you can see, it could be put only in one position. There is place for that targeting system, places for antennas and for MG. So those are things which I got with those two huge Temu parcels. And now the most difficult part. I'm going to put those in my shirts and arrange my collection. I don't think I will finish it today, but you know, I must start at some point, because if I won't start, I will never finish. That's all for this video. As usual, all the best for all of you, and see you soon. Bye bye.